Good day everyone. I am Kaushik from Central University of Haryana, a research scholar, and I am going to present my research topic entitled as Management of Pastoral System in the Aspects of Climate Change, a study on Tibetan Plateau, World Third World. Mainly Tibet vast grassland are not only a grazing land, but it is prime ecological important for their great biodiversity and as another nature is upper catchment of most of Asian major river and this unique region has been continuously used for transhumans grazing by various types of livestock production systems. Therefore, this present study focuses on the management of Tibetan pastoral system in the aspects of climate change. This map is represent the study region and the demarcated area of this map is represent the actual study area which is the Tibetan Plateau region. So the main objectives of this study is to investigate the Tibetan Plateau area's grazing land and livestock production system and showing the transformation of the pastoral system. And second one is suggest the scope for exploring opportunities for sustainable management and development of pastoral systems. This slide is represent the data and methods. There are various types of secondary data has been used, like example Land Management Bureau of Tibet Autonomous Region and Statistical Bureau of Tibet and Chinese Academy of Sciences and the various types of reputed published books and journal and data were calculated quantitative and qualitative ways and for mapping purpose I have used the ArcGIS various techniques. There are three pre-finding matters are here. There are such as climatic conditions, topographical characteristic, and the floristic features. Here the climatic conditions temperature is maximum is 23 degrees centigrade and minimum is minus 10 degrees centigrade and precipitation is 420 millimeter and number of rainy days is 60 days and time of sunlight is 8 hours per day. Due to the climate change, here glacial and permafrost area is gradually declining, and which is fall the effect on the pastoralism systems and their health conditions and their overall management situations. And the topographic characteristic is the according to the Chinese Academy of Science, they are classified the seven physiographic region and ranging from 500 meters to more than 8,000 meters. And the floristic features is represented in this table. There are various types of plants are here and floristic region are stated in this table. You can see major pasture types findings matter is represent. There are various type of grazing land are here, like example temperate meadow steppe and temperate plateau, cold highland plateaus and desert plateaus, warm pasture. Various types of pastures are here, which is represented in this table. And this map is represent the ecological zone of Tibet, and there are various characteristic of this pastoralism areas and which is demarcated these areas in this table like cold highland plateau, cold highland meadows, meadows plateau, cold desert plateau, temperate plateau, mountain plateau, and cold highland desert plateau, etc. And presently four types of livestock production system are here. This map is represented in this thing, and this region is represent the pastoral production system areas, and this region is represent the crop based livestock production, uh, and this region is represent agro-civil pastoralism mixed production systems areas, and this region is represent the agro-pastoralism area. This photograph is represent the various types of pastoralism situation and conditions. You can see that and the production systems also, and they are free generating pastoralism systems and the processes of pastoralism conditions, which is follow this slides. This slide is represent the transformation conditions of pastoral systems. Basically, they have changed the land tenure and livestock dynamics due to the climate change and climatic changing variable conditions. And this diagram is clearly stated the up and down conditions of livelihood in guest population and their livelihood systems. This curve is represent the larger animal and the future predictions also, and this curve is represent the sheep and goats, and this is the future predictions line, and the total animal conditions is this, and this curve is represent the total animal conditions and their future predictions are here. Basically, we can say that the production population are engaged, and basically it's changed, and there are various types of climatic situations and their administrative policies which is managed this pastoral system. And based on this study, I am going to discuss some management tips for future. There are such as to manage the animal environment interaction rather than to control the environmental conditions through the use of external inputs, and using the innovative methods to integrate the knowledge to understand their building and grazing and resource use management. Also focus the complex organization of the pastoral livestock value chain and instant through accessing activities and business relationship management of pastoral livestock trade, and raise the skill and knowledge of farmer and provide the research information and inputs of this farmer, and locate the market of this production. And the main thing is that the serve as a close link between the farmer, societies, research, and the government. So this type of highlighted management tips, I hope that it increase the management systems of this pastoral region of Tibet plateaus. So thank you, thanks a lot watching this video. Okay, thank you.